Good morning, grade 9 math students. It's been a long time, but I wanted to try again to reconnect with you and wanted to give you a quick how-to video to access the Microsoft Teams meeting. So there's two different ways to get there. If you log into Microsoft Outlook, you should see an email from me where it looks something like this. And you'll see here that I'm calling it the grade 9 math get together. And you can see that it's scheduled for Thursday, June 4th at 1 p.m. till about 1:30. So it's just short and sweet. And what you would then do is click on this Join Microsoft Teams meeting. So when you click on that, it'll ask you a lot of different things. You can download the Windows app if you don't already have it, or join on the web instead. My computer's prompting me to just simply open up Microsoft Teams in the app. So from there, it should pop up here as the Teams video chat, and you'd just simply click the Join Now button, and at 1 o'clock, we'll see how many of you show up, and we'll go from there. The other way to access it would be if you simply open up Microsoft Teams in and you'll have your list of different groups, and you should still have Math 9 Learning at Home. And on the posts section, you should see that I have a little post here and my little message that I have. So what you would need to do is just simply press the See More button and then click on this link again, and it'll take you directly to the meeting. So hopefully I'll see some of you. I tried this a few weeks ago and I didn't have anybody show up, so I was a little bit sad. So I'm hopeful and am going to try this again, but nothing formal, just simply hey, how's it going? And if there happens to be any math questions, I'll deal with them at that point in time. But I just want to check in with you and see how you're doing. All right, I'm going to post this on here on Microsoft Teams, but also on the ClassTag app so your parents can see what's going on as well. Alrighty, see you Thursday.